All right, y'all. See, Grand Nasty, clean Regal bad car. I see it. Y'all a little walk around of it. Sunroof, got brain in it. 275s. See it, Grand Nasty Racing. Y'all want to follow them on Instagram. It's Grand Nasty Racing, if I remember right. They run this car on radials and on big wheels. Shout out to my guy Christian, KBP Photos. Y'all can check them out on Facebook. It's a nice car. Turbo LS setup, if I remember right. Start talking, getting y'all a little information on the car. At least what I know. So. All right, y'all. Night Train. Chris Kenny. Shout out to my guy. Got a remix. Turbo small block.